Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers, and that is, guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join, a link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.72 trillion. We are down 0.5%. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.8%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing mild green across the board in the last 1 hour, but nothing to get excited about as of now. Obviously, Bitcoin is looking very strong, but altcoin market is lagging behind Bitcoin's price right now as we speak due to the fact that BTC dominance is increasing very sharply. So in order for us to see altcoins outpace Bitcoin once again, we need the dominance to fall towards the downside. But we will get into BTC charts later on in this video. But today, guys, I want to talk about Vechain. Alright, my Vechain family, if we are looking at Vechain's price right now, we are currently trading at 11.28 cents. We are down 1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 1.5% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. Vechain's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 22nd spot. Market cap right now is $7.35 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is only at $786.9 million. So right off the bat, I want to point out that the 24-hour trading volume is kind of very low for a project like Vechain. We need to be above at least $1 billion trading volume because that is good for the project itself. So I do not personally like seeing us below $1 billion volume, but this does not come as a surprise to me because more interest is shifting into Bitcoin as of now. But I believe once interest comes back into altcoins, we will see it go back up very easily, even possibly above $2 billion. But today, guys, I want to look at the bigger picture because I always like looking at this. In just the last year alone, Vechain is still up 1,204%, guys. Let's not forget that. A lot of people tend to forget this, so this is why I always like reminding you guys that we're still up 1,200%. So please keep that in mind. In the last 30 days, yes, we are down 35.1%, but we know what has been going in the markets over the last 1 month, so it's not only Vechain that's down quite significantly, it's the majority of the markets. But today, I want to share a bullish tweet with you guys because this is very, interesting. So let's not waste any time and get right into this tweet that I want to share with you guys. So Ian Rich came out and posted this. Vechain X E8 cert Dimitris Neolis, I'm sorry if I pronounced the name wrong, Vechain ecosystem manager, was on the Cyprus TV show front page to promote Vechain's healthcare solution with the E8 Cert app. So if you guys want to watch the full interview, I will leave it in the link in the description box below, but it is in Greek. If you do understand Greek, you feel free to watch it down below. So Ian Rich did say, Greek VFam, help us translate. So one of the users did come and translate this. He says, hey, I am a crypto as well. He said they are building partnerships with other companies and hospitals in the world and AI medical companies. Very bullish news, guys. And this is why I love Vechain. And this is just one news to get excited about. We have been hearing positive news come over and over again, and this is why I believe Vechain is here to stay, and it is a very unique project in the cryptocurrency space as of now. Considering what it's doing, it's solving a real world problem, guys, and this is right in front of us right now, and they keep on wanting to expand as a company, and they do not want to stop, and that is a very bullish indicator on its own. So I wanted to share this with you guys. I think this is a very huge news. Thanks to this guy for translating it for us. So if you are watching somehow, thank you. And Ian Rich, thank you for always doing what you do for the Vechain family. I really do appreciate you for all the hard work you always do for us. Alright, so if we are getting right into the Vechain charts, as you guys can see, we're still trading sideways around this momentum. So far, we have not seen any sort of excitement from altcoins, especially if we're talking about Vechain right now. We have not seen some sort of excitement level building up right now in alts due to the fact that Bitcoin dominance is increasing as we speak. Because like I mentioned in my previous videos as well, more interest is going into Bitcoin, causing the BTC dominance to go towards the upside, because obviously Elon Musk tweet that he will still be using Bitcoin along with countries expanding and using Bitcoin as a legal tender, especially in the South American countries. El Salvador, that's a huge news. That is bringing a lot of interest from institutional side, and I have showed that to you guys as well in one of my videos. I showed a chart where it shows how much volume is coming from OTC, from institutional side. They are buying up Bitcoin due to these news. And Bitcoin is the future. I always tell you guys, obviously short and medium terms, we will have a BTC dominance sometimes rises, sometimes falls, but this is part of the cycle. We just have to be prepared for that to occur. Right now, nothing has really happened from yesterday's video, guys. We have just been, trading sideways for a while, but one thing I'm starting to like a lot is that we have built up a strong, massive level of support around this level. We have been trading, consolidating over the last 1 month, and right now, honestly, all eyes should be on the BTC dominance as we speak. We need BTC dominance to fall in order to see some sort of rally for altcoins. Like I said, we need to pay very close attention to that. Some altcoins are outpacing Bitcoin. Do not get me wrong. It's not just the entire altcoin market that is just lagging behind Bitcoin. There are some that are outperforming it, but majority of them are not, and Vechain is one of them that is not doing it. But just hodl, guys. Just have strong hands. The target is still around this level. We need to break above this. Because I want us to stay above this level and gradually move towards the upside. And once we do break above 13 cents, this is the target. As you guys know, I have been mentioning 15.5 cents. We almost touched this just a couple of days ago when we saw Bitcoin go to 38K. Right now, we are above $40,000, but you guys know how important BTC dominance is. So now maybe this might be your first time. I know a lot of my viewers are new into the market, so this might be your first time coming into the markets where you did see Bitcoin going up towards the upside, and you see altcoins just trading sideways. And if you want to call it, you can call it boring sideways momentum. But guys, this is why it's important to keep an eye out on BTC dominance. People tend to overlook and ignore that indicator, but we always need to pay very close attention to BTC dominance, because BTC dominance does tend to decide what is going to happen with the altcoins. If it keeps climbing up towards the upside, we do tend to see altcoins trade sideways or even go towards the downside. I have seen that occur. But when BTC dominance falls sharply, we do see altcoins move towards the upside. Right now, Vechain is consolidating. I have no problem with that at all, but I would personally like for us to get back above 13 cents mark, which I believe is possible in the next coming days or so. As I mentioned, your BTC dominance. One thing I want to point out for you guys is I'm sorry, not BTC dominance, Bitcoin. Bitcoin was able to close above $40,000 yesterday. So very exciting times ahead indeed. As you guys may know, if you guys watched my video last night, I mentioned to you that we would like Bitcoin to close above $40,000, and we did. And so far, so good. But my targets are still around, sorry, I need to bring out the measuring tool. My targets are still these targets, specifically this 46K mark. That is a 16% move towards the upside from its current levels. And if we do, roughly do predict, considering the BTC dominance does stay around these levels, that would mean we could possibly see, Vechain at around 12.3 cents. So not necessarily above this. We possibly could be. Like I said, some altcoins have been outpacing Bitcoin. We never know. We might get some buying pressure kicking into Vechain. So we could start seeing some sort of bullish momentum definitely occur. But right now we are holding very strong. In this time, guys, we need to have patience. Patience is key, because in the markets of cryptocurrency, you guys need to have patience. As long as you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, holding and your patience will be your number one strategy to follow. And if you're in it for the long haul, you guys know a project like Vechain is here to stay. Such a strong project. They're always developing, always expanding, and I just shared one example with you guys out of the thousands of examples that I have shared over the last year or two with you guys, especially my VeChain family. And they keep on expanding, and they are trying to bring mass adoption to the crypto space and trying to revolutionize this entire blockchain industry. And I do not see anyone doing what VeChain is doing, and I really do believe it is undervalued right now. But obviously, price action does not mean, news does not definitely always mean that we will always keep going towards the upside, because at the end of the day, we do have to look at the factors as in Bitcoin and dominance, certain factors that could play a role for the markets. And VeChain is no exception. And right now we do have sideways momentum occurring for a majority of the altcoins. So it's not just VeChain, but the time will come, guys. The time will come, and in that meantime, just have patience. Have patience. Put your phone away. If you're in it for the long haul, it doesn't matter to look at the charts. You guys know what I mean. If you're in it for the short term, I guess you guys can be looking at the charts. But I'm, do not get me wrong. When I came here into the space, I was looking at the charts 24/7. But guys, trust me, this is coming from a guy that has been in the space for a few years now, since 2016. Trust me, it's not worth looking at the charts. If you are in it for the long haul, just put your phone away, go enjoy life. It's summertime, enjoy life, chill out with friends, and just have a great time. Put the phones away, just watch my updates for you guys, okay? Just put, turn on the bell icon and just watch my updates, and I will bring you guys everything you guys need to see. And just go enjoy life, guys. At the end of the day, that's what you guys want to be doing. So far so good, and I will keep you guys updated if anything still happens. But right now, I do want us to break above this 13 cents mark, and then gradually go towards the upside and go to this 15 cents mark, which is a level of resistance. We might see some choppiness around here before we do continue to see the upside. For Bitcoin, so far so good. Everything is looking like it's on track, and these are still my price targets. But since we closed above 40K, I am starting to get very bullish. But this does not mean there is not a potential for us to have a fake out towards the downside. If that were to occur, we could possibly go down to $36,147 level, and we do not want to break below it, because this is a strong level of support, and I do not like Bitcoin going below that. Well, with that being said, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys are doing and where you guys could think VeChain is headed in the immediate short term. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. This does help my channel a lot, guys. Helps the YouTube algorithm push my videos out to a wider audience. So your support would be greatly appreciated. Come join the Telegram group chat, guys, if you have not already. And thank you to all my viewers that take your time to come watch my updates. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you once again. And to all my regular viewers, I do this for you guys. Always remember that this is mainly for you guys, and I will continue doing this for you guys as long as I can. But with that being said, stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. With that being said, it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.